Welcome to Square Root Central. Today we would be looking at multiplying two numbers using the concept of a common base. And what we would be looking at is deficiency, that is how much is our number less than or more than the base. Now as shown, our base numbers would always be 10, 100, 1000, etc. And this method is best used when both our multiplicand and multiplier are numbers which are close to the base. In case of the example shown on the screen, both 86 and 91 are close to the number 100. Now as shown on the screen, you can also use this method for different numbers which are not close to the base with multiply iterations. However, that is not always the case. There is another method which we will be discussing in the later part of this video. So let us begin with the step-by-step execution of our method. Now step 1, we would consider A to be the difference between the base and the multiplicand, which in our case is 14. Similarly, let us consider B to be the difference between the multiplier and the base, which in our case is 9. As you can see, to get both A and B, we calculate how much is our number less than or more than the base. Now to get the left-hand side of the answer, we do the calculation, that is base minus A plus B, which in our case is 100 minus 14 plus 9, which is 77. Similarly, to get the right hand side of the answer, we do A multiplied by B, which is 14 multiplied by 9. So we have the right hand side as 126. For the multiplication table of two-digit numbers, go through the video. I have a link in the description as well. Now since the maximum number of digits that the product can have is 4, we carry forward the leftmost digit of the right hand side of our answer, add it to the left hand side and get 7826 as our answer. Now for the second part of our video, we would be looking at multiplying numbers that are not close to the base but closer to a number which is in some way proportional to our base. Once again as shown, we will be considering the numbers 10, 100, 1000 as our base. Now for the example that's shown on the screen, both 57 and 61 are close to the number 50, which is proportional to our base 10 and 100. It is totally up to you which base do you want to select. You can select 10 or 100. If you select 10, it is 5 times 10, 50. If you select 100, it is half of 100 or 100 divided by 2, 50. Now we introduce the concept of a working base. For our example, 50 will be our working base. Now all steps from here on are exactly the same as that of method 1. The only difference is we will be using the working base instead of the base. So A would be the difference between the multiplicand and the working base. Similarly, B between the multiplier and the working base. Now in the end, the proportionality or the calculation that we need to do to our working base to make it equal to our base, we will be doing that same calculation to the left hand side of our answer at the last step. So in case of our example, we would be multiplying the left hand side of our answer by the number 5 at the last step, since 10 multiplied by 5 is 50 and we are considering 10 as our base. Once again, the actual calculations to the example provided are not done in this video, as it is only to explain the concepts in detail. Look out for more videos where we will be solving examples using both our methods, and take a look at the other videos on the channel to learn the different methods which you can use to solve the same problem. That basically is the beauty of Vedic Maths. One problem has multiple solutions and you reach to the same answer. For daily dose of tips and trivia, follow us on social media, link in the description below. And for more examples, tips and tricks, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Square Root Central signing off.